Just to demonstrate what Revit is capable of, I'll go ahead and create a new project. I'll create a wall of 15 meters by 7.5 meters. I will close the wall. I'll place two doors at the ends of the wall. Let's add some windows. You can see how easy it is to create a floor plan in Revit. Revit generates documentations, elevations, and 3D views from the floor plan. I will create a schedule to count all the elements in our project. Revit now automatically generates a count of all the elements within our project. I'll go ahead and create more windows. Notice how the count updates automatically as more windows are created. Let's add one more wall and two more doors. Notice how the count updates automatically. Let's change the view. Notice Revit also generates an elevation view from the floor plan. I'll rename the floor levels and elevation view. Let's add a roof. Once I switch to the front view, you will notice the roof is now also created in the view. I'll switch to the 3D view to see the project in 3D. Let's add the views to a sheet. I will add the plan, roof, schedule, and front view. You can fill the required details in the title block. You can now print the drawing. And we have successfully created a project in Revit, demonstrating how the software works. When you create elements in 2D, Revit automatically generates corresponding 3D views and documentation. For example, if I select this door, notice the door on the plan, and change it to a smaller door, the changes automatically update in all the views. I know you're anxious to learn how to use the software. Let's start by opening the sample project and begin by understanding the Revit interface.